Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to use lazy loading in Laravel Livewire, and let's get started with an example and let's understand. So if I go here, there is already one product component loading over here. If I refresh it, you can see that it's all getting product from the database and display it over here. Let me show you in my Sublime editor as well. Okay, so if I go here, there is already Livewire class product. So simply I will get all the products and add to the products variable over here. And now I will render the livewire blade file over here and simply print out the products. Okay, so now you have only 3 products, so it's fine to getting data. But what if you have like thousands of posts or maybe lakhs or maybe more than that records into database, and maybe it can take time to get the data. Or maybe if you have calling the API and the get the data and send it to the your livewire blade file. For example, I will say sleep for a 3 second. That means when you are getting the product at that time, take a 3 second to getting data. So let's see, and in the web page what happened. If I refresh it, you can see that it's loading. That means because of component is getting data from the backend side. If I click on it, you can see that it's loading over here. So how we can ignore this? That means like when I refresh, page should be refreshed without component. Like component can be later load, or after page load then we can load the component. So what we need to do, we can ignore using the lazy. So let me go here, and inside the home I just need to add lazy over here. Simply save it, and if I go and refresh it, you can see that it's loaded the page, but in the background that's loading the component. Let me refresh it again so you can understand. You can see that page is loading without component and component is loading backend side. Okay, now what if you want, like, because if I refresh, it's just blank. So what if you want to add the loading image or something over there? So that means indicate your component is loading on the backend side. So what I will do, simply go to your component class, and here you need to add one function that's called placeholder. I will say placeholder and remove the argument, and here you need to return and write the HTML. There is already syntax over here, so you need to follow that syntax. Okay, and here you can write div over here. Okay, write the HTML over here. So I will say div. Okay, and here I will take one image from the Google, so I will say loading image. Okay, and if I go, you can see that there is a GIF image. I am going to copy this address and simply paste it over here, and I am going to add width over here like 150 pixel, and here I will say class that's called text center. Okay, now let me go here and refresh it. You can see that now indicate your component is loading, and here your web page is already loading. When you refresh it, you can see that your web page is loading instantly, but when you refresh, your component is still getting data from the backend side. You can understand how easily we can use lazy. You can also use in advance, like with some search, with some specific div or more than that. But in this example, we just want to clear our concept, like how we can easily use lazy loading. Okay, so if I refresh it, you can see that it's loading over here. So I hope guys you understand how easily we can use it and how much powerful this. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys.